Performance, and even at that, in certain conditions we may not to, but we have more of a chance of success.
Okay, currently the winds are 0, 9 to 0 at 11, so
I got it gusting up to 18.
gusting all the way to 18. So still, we take off on 6, we got 30 degrees on this.
Yeah,
We take off on 10, we got a good headwind.
Yeah, I was going to say we'll just stick with 10 on this deal.
Okay, that's fine. Now there was a fire extinguisher in the other one here on the right. Do we have one in this airplane?
No.
Okay, so much for safety equipment. All right. Okay. Yeah, you got a headset with you, good. Okay, so we've got the weather. Seats latched. All right, seat belts. Everybody's belted up. Check. Parking brake. This thing, is that the parking brake, folks?
This is it.
Okay, so I did get it set right. Good.
Loosening up though.
All the way up is on.
Yeah, I know. This
Right.
whole thing is loosening up though.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Mechanics side of me is coming up.
Okay. All right, we got the parking brake set, landing gear switch lever is down. Mixtures both full rich, so ramps clear. I'm on the brakes backing up the parking. There you go, both mixtures. Propellers full forward, they are. Throttles open 1 inch. Okay, so how's that for starting?
That's good. That weight mark is a good guideline.
All right, yeah, I
Usually I
see
just
it
do
from
the
this
left
side.
one at first.
Yeah, sure, because when we start, and would you
You
leave
can-
the mixture of the right one down as well?
You can actually hear this when we were talking about
Yeah,
that.
there's the micro switch.
Mhm.
Yeah. Do we want this one back before we start?
That can go forward. That's
Okay, I like the way that feels. All right, all switches off on the top.
Right,
What's
they
the
are.
surface actuate switch?
all. That's for the de-ice boots.
Okay, for the boots. Okay, fine.
What I am going to do is turn the anti-collision on.
Fine. It should be left on all the time anyway, right?
Exactly.
Okay. And emergency field switch is off.
Yeah,
That's
both
under the-
red guard switches
when the
are
guards
off.
are down, they're off. Okay, avionics master is off. That's on the left. Check. Aux fuel pump switch is off. Those are, okay, this is coming off into your lap, so I just take this out of the way. All right, they're both off. Yeah, the middle position is off. Battery master on. Okay, ramp clear. Left, center, right. Nobody in sight. Okay. I did test, by the way, to hear that the circulating pumps were
Okay.
working.
And the stall
both
horn?
tank. Yeah, check that too. It's good. Okay, landing glare lights, 3 in the green. Alternator failure lights are on. That's normal.
So we got, let's see, we got 3 here. This makes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Gotcha. Okay, I tested these, of course. Now let's
Right.
see how this reads. Pretty close to good. Okay, fuel quantity we've checked. Alternate static is this static air. Where is that located?
That's right down here, Dave. Back
Okay.
behind this flap.
Gotcha.
The valve is forward. We're good.
Forward is closed.
Correct.
Okay, starting engines. Propeller area clear. We're going to start the left first.
Clear left!
All right, mags. Let's just put the left mags on. We don't need all 4, right?
You just,
Okay, 2 of them. All right. Starter button to press first. And
okay,
the
what I
primer
always do is
switch.
check my temperatures. So this is going to be a cold start.
Okay.
That's super cold, so I'm only going to give it about a 5-second prime.
All right, yeah, and your prime is, all right, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Clear to start. Clear!
Clear left!